Welcome, YouTube community. I'm Nigel Monet, a holistic business coach, stay-at-home mom of two, and serial entrepreneur. I'm thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel, a safe haven for melanated businesswomen. Here, we'll explore the perfect blend of self-development, business growth, and spiritual empowerment, all while building lucrative passive incomes from the comfort of our own homes. What can you expect from this channel? You'll gain practical insights and advice that's not only easy to apply, but also tailored for anyone committed to becoming the best version of herself. Today, we kick off our journey with a focus on self-development. Why? Because I believe that before we dive into business strategies, it's crucial to understand our own value and worth. A common pitfall for entrepreneurs is not being able to effectively communicate the value that they offer to the world. And that's because they're unsure of the value that they truly hold in themselves. Value isn't just about the products you offer, it's about the principles and beliefs that drive you. Before you can build a powerful brand or business, you need to develop a solid foundation of self-worth and self-awareness, and that's why we're diving into self-development first. With that being said, welcome again, my fellow entrepreneurs, to day one of Boost Your Confidence to Boost Your Cash Flow. I hope you're feeling energized and ready to dive deeper into our 5-day challenge. Today, we're going to explore a topic that is often overlooked, but plays a significant role in our journey to success: mindset. To fully participate in this workshop, you'll need to grab the accompanying workbook from the treasure trove of files in the Business Building Collective Facebook group, or simply check out the video description below. It is like unlocking a vault of valuable knowledge. But here's the secret sauce. Make sure that you can allocate around 30 minutes each day to fully immerse yourself in these activities. It's like adding a dash of adventure to your daily routine. If you find yourself in need of extra support or simply fancy a friendly chat, I've got your back. Click on the link in the video description to book a free complimentary 30-minute call with me. Think of it as a VIP pass to personalized guidance. Oh, and don't forget to celebrate your achievements. You can either showcase your completed assignments under the corresponding video or slide them into my DMs, whichever makes you feel more comfortable. Get ready for a sensational journey, my friends, and let's infuse professionalism with a touch of lighthearted fun as we unleash your entrepreneurial potential and make these 5 days the most incredible experience on your path to success. Now, let's get working with resetting your mindset. You see, our mindset is like the steering wheel that guides us towards our goals. It shapes our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, ultimately determining our level of success. So it's crucial to cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset. But how do we do that? Well, my friends, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. First, let's start by understanding the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce empowering beliefs. They help reprogram our subconscious mind and align our thoughts with our desired outcomes. I want you to take a moment and think about a specific goal or aspiration that you have. It could be related to business, your personal life, or any area that you want to improve. Now let's create an affirmation together. Repeat after me. I am capable of achieving my goals and creating the life I desire. Now I want you to write down this affirmation on a piece of paper or in your workbook. Place it somewhere visible, like your desk, your bathroom mirror, your bedroom mirror. Make it a daily ritual to read this affirmation aloud with conviction and belief in your heart. And here's where I'm going to need you guys to engage with me and this community. Drop a fire emoji in the comments below if you're ready to embrace the power of affirmations and manifest your dreams. Remember, affirmations are most effective when we truly believe in what we're saying. So if you find any resistance or doubt creeping in, take a moment to reflect on why you might be feeling that way. Challenge those limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. Now, let's move on to another powerful technique: visualization. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. By visualizing your goals as already achieved, you're sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind and activating the law of attraction. Close your eyes and imagine yourself accomplishing that goal that you wrote down earlier. Picture every detail, the sights, the sounds, the emotions that you would experience. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in this visualization as if it's happening right now. Feel the excitement, the joy, the sense of accomplishment, and hold on to that feeling and carry it with you throughout the day, especially when you're feeling low. Drop in the comments a star emoji, and let us know of any specific details that stuck out in your visualization, okay? Visualization is a practice that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Just by using this a few minutes a day, it can help you to build on a positive and more growth-oriented mindset. Sometimes our mindset can become stagnant or limited, holding us back from reaching our full potential. And that's why it's essential to identify your negative self-thoughts and sabotaging beliefs. Grab a workbook and turn to the page titled Mindset Shifts. Take a few minutes to write down any negative beliefs or thoughts that you've noticed holding you back. It could be thoughts like, I'm not good enough or I'll never be successful. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Write down a positive and empowering belief that counteracts that negative thought. For example, if the negative belief is I'm not good enough, replace it with I am more than capable of achieving my goals. In the comments, drop a star emoji and share one limiting beliefs that you have identified and the empowering belief that you're replacing it with. Let's encourage each other and start rewriting our own mindsets. Remember, mindset shifts take time and practice. Be yourself and celebrate your small wins. Now, I want to share a powerful exercise that can help you reframe any negative situation, and it's called the power of reframing. Think about a recent setback or challenge that you faced in your entrepreneurial journey. Write it down in your workbook, and next to it, write down how it made you feel. Now, take a moment to reframe that situation. Look for the lessons, the growth opportunities, or the silver linings. Write down a positive perspective or a valuable insight that you gained from that experience. In the comments, drop a rainbow emoji and share one setback or challenge that you faced and the positive perspective that you've gained from it. Let's turn our challenges into stepping stones for success. By reframing our challenges, we can transform them into valuable learning lessons and fuel that for our growth. I encourage you to continue exploring the power of mindset in your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, your mindset is going to be the foundation on which your success is built. Nurture it. Make sure that you're using these steps, apply them, and power off to the future. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a practice that can have a profound impact on our overall well-being and success. It helps with focusing on or refocusing what we lack and change to a more abundant mindset. I invite you to grab a pen and paper and open a new document page in your workbook. Take a few minutes to write down things that you're grateful for in your entrepreneurial journey or life. It could be small wins, supportive mentors, or even lessons that you've learned from failures. Once you've written them down, I want you to take it a step further and share one thing that you're grateful for in the comments below and tag a fellow entrepreneur who has inspired you on your journey. Let's spread gratitude and appreciation within our community. Remember, gratitude is a practice that can be incorporated into your daily routine. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for and open the road to your success. After all, gratitude is the energy of abundance. Enhancing abundance in your life is a transformative journey that encompasses both your mindset and your actions. Let's dive into a crucial aspect. If you desire greater financial prosperity, it's essential to genuinely believe that you deserve it. When your self-esteem is low, your financial situation tends to mirror that. Limiting beliefs and barriers hinder your potential for growth. The workbook focuses on the necessary steps to pave the way for substantial financial gains. I'll be honest with you, it's not going to be a walk in the park. Elevating your confidence requires dedicated effort and unwavering commitment. But here's the exciting part. I know you're ready to take on the challenge. Now, for our last activity together, we're going to embark on a fascinating calculation. Brace yourself as we determine in US dollars the cost that you've paid to reach your current position in life, and prepare to be astonished. I invite you to gather all of your academic certifications along with details of every course you've ever taken. Don't forget to include coaching, supervision courses, masterminds, group coaching programs that you've been a part of. Essentially, anything that has contributed to your skill development. Now it's time for a fun exercise that will make all of this soul searching a bit more concrete for you. Calculate, estimate, revisit your bank statements to get a rough idea of the amount of money that you invested in each of these activities. If a course was free, like school qualifications, you can either leave it as free or make an educated guess of what that may have cost you. Once you have the figures, simply add them up and note the total. Next, drop a money bag emoji and share your total that you've come up with in the comments, along with any revelations, thoughts, or comments under the post with hashtag day1. I'm genuinely excited to see what you discover through this process. That's all that I have for you guys today, moguls. If you found these techniques helpful and inspiring, drop a heart emoji, hit that like button, and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Let's spread the positivity and empower more people on their journey to success. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of goal setting and action planning. Until then, keep believing in yourself and the incredible potential within you. Wishing you a day filled with positivity and growth. And like I always say, dream of millions until they manifest. And that is a wrap for today, my friends. If this resonated with you, please show some love. Hit the heart emojis, hit the like button, share the video with your fellow melanated businesswomen, and let's provide positivity and empowerment for everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm wishing you a day filled with positivity and growth. Like I said earlier, dream of millions until they manifest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.